Oh my god, I'm wearing something other than a tank top or my school uniform. What the hell? Yes. So, I look strange. I look different to what I usually do, so, I'm not complaining. But, I have been getting a lot of dares. I've got some weird ones like drink ketchup, thanks. I've been getting some also impossible ones, wear your whole, you know, wardrobe, outfits, everything. Just wear everything. You know what? I can't do that. I would love to, I really would, but I have 2 wardrobes and several drawers. And you know what? Once I've had a clear out, I probably will do it. But until then, no thank you. And then my favourite one, which I actually will be doing, I think this Friday, will be revealed at the end. Sorry. And anyway, on to the truths, which I've been getting. So let's start. So one of my fans asked not to be named in this. So okay, because of that, fan, I drew you a cow. Have fun with that. Sorry if you're allergic to cows or you're a vegan or whatever you are. I'm sorry. That was the first thing that came into my head. So, your question was, have you ever locked somebody in a cupboard or something similar? I said yes. I have locked somebody in a pantry. Who was it? It was my friend Gracie, or Miss Eva May 1. And when was this? A month ago. Why? Because she deserved it. And how? How did I get them in? I asked her. That's how simple that was. I just said, will you go into the pantry? So she said yes. That was that. Time inside, she spent about 10 minutes in there, not long. And how did I keep it closed? I sat in front of it. I just sat in front of it. I have no technical locks on the pantry, I just sat in front of it. I don't know how many times we're going to say that. Just to make that clear, I sat in front of it. And was she begging? She wasn't. She actually wasn't. I couldn't believe this. I opened the pantry and she'd been eating my biscuits. I couldn't believe it. They were my favourite flavour. No, never again. I'm never locking her in my pantry again. She can get in the freezer. No, not happening. I will shove her in any other kitchen, you know, utensil place. No, she's not. No. That's what I'm not keeping her where the biscuits are. Next one. What a time to text me. Why would you? Why would you do that? Right in the middle of a video. Why? I can't do anything wrong. Okay. Okay. I'm ready. I'm ready now. Okay. Next question. I got some quick fire questions from FC Barcelona 980. I'm quite proud of that as I didn't look down to the script once. He or she has asked me favourite, so I'm going to take them as quick fire questions and just do them as quickly as possible. Let's go! Song? Cough Syrup by Young the Giant. Male singer. Darren Criss. You don't know who that is? Female singer. Natasha Bedingfield. Pasta! That was gay. Colour? Movie! This is a bit sad, but Schindler's List. What is your most embarrassing moment? Every single moment of my life is an embarrassing moment. Everything. Everything. And finally, Happy New Year, well, late New Year, from FC Barcelona, again, 980. Oh, no, as if. What are you... Hello? I can't believe you've just done that. Oh, you know what you've done. You've been texting me all the way through this. I told you I was recording. Oh, I did. I had to stop recording halfway through because of you. You've wasted 30 seconds of my viewing time. Thank you. Yeah. Yes, this is staying on because of you. Thank you. I can't be bothered to edit this out, so well done. Yeah, you're going to be on YouTube, are you? Oh, you're so excited. Okay, bye. Bye. He does this on purpose, I'm sure. This is why actors these days, this is why I don't work with them. They can't handle Hollywood anymore. God, what? Let's try this again. Happy New Year to you too. And, oh yeah, I almost forgot then. Oh, keeping you all in suspense. What's this day gonna be? Ooh, are we excited? Right. So, I'm quite excited for this as well. The day that I've chosen is from... I need a drum roll. Jag 51020, and it was to have a whipped cream pie in my face. You know what? I've had cake in the face, but never a whipped cream pie. A whipped cream pie when I can speak. But you know what? I'm gonna get one of my very good friends, who is, I've already mentioned in the video, who is Miss Eva May 1, or Gracie as I know her. So, and I know for a fact that she's gonna show it so hard in my face that it's gonna leave a handprint. Hopefully that will be fun, and hopefully that will happen on Friday. I'm excited for this. I am. I really am. Interesting. Bye everybody. See you Friday.